Get into a car with value. 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, paddle shifters, heated front seat. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.